Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Sir Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. My dear students, today I am going to discuss the Karnataka SSLC Board Exam 2021 subject Science, topic Science Blueprint for this academic year. As you can see here, as you all knows it, let me to give the heading, that is Science Blueprint for the academic year 2021 new pattern. Okay, this year you all knows it, we are going to solve, that is 40 MCQs questions, right? That is 40 multiple choice questions will be asked for you. Here I am going to give you the brief details about each and every chapter. So this analysis is been done by using your model question paper as a reference material. So most probably the chances are very high that the same blueprint will be followed. Okay, so let's begin. As you can see here, from the topic physics, let me highlight which of the chapters which belongs to physics. That is electricity, second is magnetic effect of electric current, magnetic effect of electric current. Number 3, light. Number 4 is sources of energy. So these are the chapters which belongs to physics. As if we are going to see the marks, how the marks is been distributed. For the chapter electricity, around 5 marks. For magnetic effect of electric current, my dear students, it is been considered as 3 marks as we see your model question paper. Okay, but here chances are there where they can interchange even for 4 marks also. So do remember, from the chapter magnetic effect of electric current, you get either for 3 marks or 4 marks. And then the chapter light, they have considered in model papers for 4 marks, and chances are there again here some changes can be done, like even they can ask you for 3 marks. Then let me come back to the chapter sources of energy, where it carries 2 marks. So altogether from the physics portions you can expect around 14 marks questions. So as you can see, we have done with physics. Any doubts? I hope you all have understood. Good. Now come back to chemistry. As we can see, the topic chemistry. If you are going to see the topic chemistry, okay, in this, as we can see here, the chapters which belongs to chemistry, those are acid, bases and salts, right? And then the next chapter is metals and non-metals. Number 3 is carbon and its compounds. And then number 4 is periodic classification of elements. Okay, acid, bases and salts, metals and non-metals, periodic classification of elements and carbon and its compounds. As we can see how the marks are distributed, from the chapter acid, bases and salts, the chances are there where they can ask you the question for 2 marks. And then metals and non-metals, chances are there for 4 marks. Carbon and its compounds, around 4 marks. Periodic classification of elements, it carries 2 marks. So altogether we can expect around 12 marks from chemistry. Then let me come to biology. If we see the biology contents, okay, here we have the chapter life processes. Life processes. Number 2 is control and coordination. Control and coordination. And then number 3, heredity and evolution. Heredity and evolution. Number 4 is the chapter sustainable management of natural resources. So before going for this chapter, let me to introduce one more chapter, heredity and evolution, that is reproduction in organisms. How do reproduction in organisms, that is reproduction. Okay. Number 5, sustainable management of natural resources. Okay, is this clear? Now as you can see here, this is our biology part, life processes, control and coordination, heredity and evolution, reproduction, and how do organisms reproduce. Reproduction is nothing but, if you're getting confused, you can make it as how do organisms reproduce. Okay, how do organisms reproduce, sustainable management of natural resources, and our environment. If you are going to see the marks distribution from the chapter life processes, you can expect around 3 marks. Control and coordination, again around 3 marks. Heredity and evolution, again around 3 marks. How do organisms reproduce, that is around 2 marks. Sustainable management, around 2 marks. Our environment, around 1 mark. So altogether if you are going to calculate, okay, so as you can see, 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, that is around 14 marks. I hope the concept is clear for you. So we have seen the marks distribution for total 40 marks, how physics, chemistry and biology chapters are classified. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well, do take care of your health, okay, because health is your wealth. So do not miss an opportunity to score the very good marks in the upcoming board exam. Share this video as much as possible with your all friends and your classmates. Still, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe it and click the like button. Comment below how was this class and what video you want to make me next. Take care. Bye bye.